furthest one. This is the second furthest.
Good.
Good to meet you. You want anything?
It's Gene Lang's Swiss Hutless. It's 1985 Swiss Hutless.
And they've done away with it.
I don't see too many Rupp Lancers anymore. It's a two-piece cart, rubber mount. See how they heim joint that rail in, and it comes back around. Got the old style fuel tank on it.
Why not? They make a class for everything else. Why don't they make a class for us old guys?
I couldn't jump it.
Well, I want to ride it.
I won't tell him you said that, but that's funny. It is. Pretty peaceful, yeah.
Oh, we can, yeah.
This is Mike and Mike's Morales, that is. Blackhawk.
Lay that seat down. Forgot to clean it.
Rear engine, I think it's a Poison Arrow, 1972.
Just give him that bar, no bump.
That's it. Yeah, you get ready to down there. Yeah, you shorten this up a little bit there, and shorten it up a little bit there, and down she goes. Yeah, because I got to see some of these kind of racing Greenfield when I was real young.
Yeah, you can lay that right down.
Yeah,
You just need a tank.
my dad worked with
You
guys.
can rest it right on the carburetor, it'll be good.
Yeah, just ask George.
Yeah.
Right on the throttle.
I've driven it, yeah. I don't drive it a lot. Any tire 6 inches off the ground. Anyone you want.
It's a 1989 Coyote Bullet. It's one of Jackson Simler's fleet that he brought. Starting to see more coyotes. Coyotes are more in the 80s. We're starting to see them. Right next to it is a 92 Coyote free roller. Also one of Jackson's. He brought the flathead contingent here. Vintage flatheads. Let's see how he's kind of a wizard when it comes to seat mounts. His seat mounts don't break like so many of the others. You can see they're running weight. So yeah, free roller, free roller, I should say, and a bullet.
Looks like we've got a
Nice crowd for the kart show.
I said, take your glasses off, Jeffrey, because you had sunglasses on. I couldn't see your eye. She walked by like Archie Bunker and talked to me.
Sweet. These car serial numbers only 15 apart.
That was Jackson there. This is Jackson's Kart, actually, with the Yamaha on it. It's a Margay expert.
Oh, we're not.
He was just saying the other Margay that's right next to it. They're 15 numbers apart on the serial numbers.
No, but I usually look at the car. Yeah. Well, I'm not involved in that.
Voting for People's Choice ballots. If you come up to the table, you can get one and mark on each ballot your favorite card. So come up and start with People's Choice right now.
Like me. Don't ask her, did she?
It's one of our junior competitors in a Margay, 1983 Panther X. So 77 Margay Panther X. Very nice looking car.
Go power wheels.
Kelly West had one, is all original. I can't remember who still had the original.
Most of them have a
But I like this right there. Tell me in 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
It's a 1986 Invader. Nicely restored. Running the Yamaha limited class, you can tell by the SRY pipe.